Welcome back everybody to a new AI video. Are you struggling to create professional diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps? What if I told you there's a tool that makes it effortless, even for beginners? Meet Edraw AI. We're going to be introducing Wondershare's Edraw AI tool's top features: flowchart, diagram, mind map, image processing, drawing, OCR image to text, and uploading files to generate a mind map summary. Today, I'll show you how this powerful tool can transform your workflow, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning diagrams in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Here is the layout of the website. We are currently on the home page. First, we will start off with AI mind map. We're going to be looking at mind map, flowchart, diagram, drawing, AI image, and OCR. For here, you have enter prompts, which you can enter any work-related prompts that will help you generate your mind map. We will be using an example prompt just to make this more simplistic. Let's do study plan for data science certification. Once we hit start, it's going to generate us a whole new mind map with the example prompt. So study plan for data science certification. It's going to map out everything here. This mind map is fully customizable if you wish to make any changes to it. You can also create a new theme, change its colors. You can change the background if you prefer having a different color. For now, I'm just going to use black so it's easier on our eyes. And if you wanted to, you can also upload an image of any choice. And if you wish to change an individual asset, you can go here. It will style it for you. You can change it to any way you would like. Let's just do red. If you wanted to change the shape, you can. The corners of the box. Maybe if you wanted a little smoother round corner for it and less sharp. You can change the border color to any color of your selection. Here you can change the width of the border. Maybe if you wanted to add dashes to it, you can do that as well. And under here, it will change the branch color. If you want it to be, let's do pink, it will change that for you. Topic, it will change the topics under here. Let's do a dark blue. And under here, if you want to be more in depth and specific, you can add a branch number, which will label them in order. If you're not happy with that outcome, you can reset it back to how it was. You have branch tree positioning, alignment with sibling topic, flexible floating topic. When dragging a topic, it will not be attracted by other topics. Topic overlap. After checking, the themes can be stacked with each other. Now up here, we have add topic, which down here, it will make a new topic, and we can manually add whatever we would like. If you click relationship, you can click a box and you can connect it to any subtopic or topic that you would like to connect it to. For now, I'm just going to do that, and we can do, let's just do blank because I'm not sure what I would put here. And if you click either subtopic or a topic, you're given a call out option, which can be used as like a side note, or you can add a summary, and you can insert clip art or an image, a latex, which are math formulas. You can add a table to any size that you would like, and a branch number. Here, you can change the layout of your mind map if you prefer a mind map, or if you would prefer something a little bit more simplistic in bulletproof form. And for PPT, this will turn it into a slideshow. Next, we have AI flowchart. We will be using a troubleshooting flowchart for starting a computer, including checks for power connection and startup issues. So here it is, a very simplistic AI flowchart, and you can edit it if you wish. So here's all the other options for built-in themes. If you have an ideal style in mind, this could be beneficial for you. If you wish to add more to your flowchart, you can add another box under the sources here of any shape listed. So if you want to start with a box, you can connect just like that. Pretty simple, straightforward. If you want to add text inside, you can just double click, put whatever you want in it. And there you have it. You have another connection to your flowchart. If you wish, you can include pictures as well, or even add a graph. You have line charts, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plot, and candlestick chart, radar chart, heat map, relational graph, sunburst chart, parallel coordinates, Sankey diagram, and funnel charts. So if you wish to add a bar chart, you can very much do so. You can go into manage data, and these are all fully customizable. Here, if you wanted to add text, you can do that. And it's given a text layout, which again are kind of like a diagram. As you can see, there are plenty to choose from. If you go under icons, it will give you this. If we wanted to add a little heart, we can. Just like that. A great addition too is that you can add a table, math equations, which you would manually have to type out, or perhaps you have a watermark if you would like to share this as a presentation or an online source. Maybe you have a QR code that you would like to post on it as well. You can add that to it. Next up, we have AI diagram. We can select any diagram type. We will be doing line chart, and we're going to use another sample prompt, show total sales figures over a 1-week period. And this is how it will be presented. Again, if you wish to make any changes, you can edit in Canvas. Again, we have the themes on the right side. You can add a basic flowchart if you wanted to, along with your line chart. You have the pictures, again, graphs, text, icons, and again, you got the research, you got table, math equations, watermark, and QR codes. Same premise. Again, under any chart that you would like to use, you can change it under manage data. So next we have AI image, smart cutout, remove and change backgrounds and images online with just one click. So this will remove the background in your image. Next we have smart remover, remove people or objects from photos seamlessly using powerful AI technology, get clean images without compromising quality. Next, photo enhancer, improve the quality of any image online for free with AI image upscaler, automatically increase image resolution or clarity, remove noise, balance color levels, restore old photos, and more. So this will make your images more high quality. Image SR, upscale images without losing quality, support enlarging by 2 times and 4 times, get super resolution images with effortless online operation. You have image compressor. Edraw AI can reduce the size of image files by over 65% while maintaining the original quality. Remove watermark. One-click intelligent removal of title watermarks on documents, suitable for black and white documents. Next, let's take a look at AI drawing. So if we wanted to, let's say, girl with short black hair swinging on a swing. We can change the size of our image. If we want, let's do 4:3. SD is a lower quality option. HD is a mid-quality option. UHD is the highest quality option. So if we wanted to, we can do UHD for the highest quality, and style selection, which is pretty straightforward. We can just do anime and then start, and it will generate an artwork for us. And yeah, just look at that. A girl with short black hair swinging on a swing. And here we have universal model, which we are given more realistic, less cartoony kind of styles. Mountain landscape. And again, here's the given image. IMG to IMG. Basically, you will upload an image and AI will create based on your image. So here, let's just do a picture of Leonardo DiCaprio. We can change the style intensity and the AI creativity, which if you don't know, style intensity, the higher the value, the more the generated image matches the style description. And here we have AI creativity. The lower the value, the lower the AI creativity, and the closer the generated image is to your image. So we chose an anime 2D with Leonardo DiCaprio. You have to change, let's do this one. So a mixed anime 2D art style with the given image. So this is the outcome. And next, I would like to move on to AI OCR. Image to text converter is used to extract text from images. So here, if we want, this is an example. If we hit start, it will extract all the text here. And just like that. Another feature that I would like to look at that released on November 26th of 2024, it's called Whiteboard. And it will give you a clean page. So here are a bunch of tools that you can use. You got selection frames. You got presentation/printing, which you can make small little boxes and you can put in whenever you want if you wanted to make it more neat. Press Ctrl-Z if you wish to get rid of something. Here you can add a phone, a pad, a web page, and a watch. You have layouts, lanes, you have special frames, matrix. Under here you have shapes, themes. Again, if you wanted to create a flowchart manually, you can do that. And under here you have more shapes, lots of sources you can use. Plenty. Okay, sorry. If you go here, these are basically arrows. If you wish to connect to something, you can change the shape of the arrow. Text, if you wish to insert some text. Mind map, if you wish to insert a mind map, you can do that. Sticky note, again, a sticky note, pretty straightforward. Blank. Drawing tool, which you have many options to choose from. So if you wanted a pen, you can do that. Different types of pens. You got markers. Just a lot of options you can use. Here you have tables. If you wish to insert those, you can. Blocks, which you have different theme styles. And basically, it will add this for you. Basically, another template. If you wish to edit that, you can do so. Next, you have card, which can be used as like maybe a title border. Kanban, which is another template you can deck out if you wish to. And here under more tools, you have chart, coding, presentation, wireframe, resource library, which I'm sure, yeah, you can search anything that you wish to import into your whiteboard or presentation, whatever you would like to call it. And here you can upload any file you would like, maybe scan something, and you can add in links and another, I think this is another tool. Yeah, okay. So this is another tool connected to the website. And maybe you wish to collaborate with somebody, these options here are what you can work together on. But yeah, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, we created multiple professional looking flowchart and diagrams with Edraw AI. Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, this tool can simplify your work and boost your productivity. Be sure to follow at Wondershare, Edraw Soft, or comment to get a 7 days free trial of some advanced features. Another thing that I would like to recommend about this website is that you would check their user guide. It could help you understand more in depth of every tool that they have listed on their website. You can follow their YouTube channel at Wondershare Edraw Soft. But overall, Edraw has helped me keep better track of my workflow with their great AI tools over the time. I'd highly recommend it to all users who would like a healthy, clean track of profession. And that is all, everybody. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day.